Hi, I'm Barney, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about Septifix before you decide to buy it. If you want to learn more about Septifix or are thinking about purchasing it, make sure to watch this entire video carefully so you don't make any mistakes or regret your choice later. First things first, you need to know that Septifix is only sold on its official website. You might find products called Septifix on sites like Amazon or eBay, but be very careful. These are often fake or unauthorized versions, and buying from those places means you won't get the real product, guarantees, or certifications. So, always use the official link in the description or the pinned comment to make sure you get the authentic Septifix. Now that we've covered that, let's talk about what Septifix really is and how it works. Septifix is an excellent solution for homeowners and businesses that rely on septic tanks for wastewater management. We all know septic tanks require constant maintenance, and keeping them clean can be expensive and time-consuming. If you're dealing with septic tank problems like bacteria buildup or odors, Septifix can help, but it's important to remember that this isn't an instant fix. The tablets work gradually to break down waste and clean your septic system, so it usually takes a few months before you start seeing real results. Don't rush the process. Give it time and be consistent with use. Also, there's no risk involved because Septifix comes with a money-back guarantee. If you order Septifix through the official website link and for any reason you aren't satisfied, you can contact their customer support to get a full refund. The company truly believes in their product and wants you to be happy with your purchase. So that's the important info about Septifix. Make sure you buy from the right place, be patient with the results, and remember you're protected by the refund policy. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful and feel more confident about your choice regarding Septifix.